Good morning, class. We were supposed to do the message writing, and in message writing, we were learning the facts that date is to be mentioned on the left hand side, time to be mentioned on the right hand side. Now, time could be mentioned either in front of the salutation, that means dear so and just opposite to it, we can write the time. We can also write the time here, that means just opposite to the date, right hand side, or we can also write the time just below the date. Wherever you write, all three these places are correct. That means time could be written just below the date, time could be written just towards the right hand side of the date, time could be written just towards the right hand side of the salutation. After that, you write the message details, and then you write your name, or you write the name of the person who is writing a message. Whatever in the question it is given, the name that you write here. Now, we took an example where we talked of Mr. Zahir having a telephonic conversation. Now, this was the telephonic conversation. And how did we write a message after that? We wrote a message writing the date on the left hand side, then time on the right hand side. Then we began, Dad, as a salutation, we began. Mr. Zahir from Avon Industries had called. He wanted to tell you that the meeting that was scheduled for tomorrow has been postponed to the day after. It will be held at 11 a.m. at the same time at the same venue. Rahil. Now, the points that we need to note is you begin your message, salutation, and details. That first thing you write is who called. And you can see here Mr. Zahir from Avon Industries had called. Then the next thing you have to keep in mind is what message he or she wanted you to convey. Okay, that message you give. And in that message, you have to remember these three things very correctly. And these three things are the date, time, and venue. That means in this case, the meeting was scheduled for tomorrow. So the date would be tomorrow. Clear? The next day. Since they have not given you any specific date in date wise, so you write just as tomorrow. Then time they have given you 11 a.m. You write there. Venue they have told you the same place it will be held, so you just have to write. They have not mentioned any place, you will mention the same venue. So these three things are very important when you are writing a message. Now, message could be either in a telephonic form and you will be asked to write a message. The message could be in a form, the question could be in a form of a detail. Like here, you are Vishal, your physics teacher had called you for extra coaching. Your mother and father are out and you have to leave. Write a message for your parents before you leave for the coaching class. So now, this particular thing is not in a telephonic conversation like this, but yet you are asked to write a message. So let us take up the example. So you first wrote date here to the left hand side. Then you wrote time. Now here time, time is not to be written. I did not write the time because I'm asking you. I will ask you. That is why I have not written. Just a second. Then, dear mom and dad, my
Ma'am, I'm
physics
not able to
teacher
see
had.
screen sharing.
Just a second. Oh my God, my cake. Now, can you see now? Hmm?
No, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay, wait a second.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I can see.
Now,
No, ma'am. I
must
can
be a
see.
net.
I can see.
Wait, I have an idea. Now, can you see?
No, ma'am.
How is it that you're not able to see me? My screen is on sharing. Okay, then listen, I'll send, when you see the video, it will be there. Don't worry. Okay, so now we say, rest of you can see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then it's okay. Only maybe network issues, Shab. No, don't worry. So, dear mom and dad, my physics teacher had called me for extra coaching class at, now think wisely, what time maybe the teacher could have called? Say at 11 o'clock.
Ma'am,
Okay?
at 3.
Okay, chalo, at 3. At
At 4
3
p.m.
p.m. 3 p.m. is okay. 3 p.m. is perfectly all right. So at 3 p.m. the teacher had called. Okay. Now we'll write here 3 p.m. Okay. That means अब जब हमने यहाँ पे टाइम डिसाइड कर लिया, अब हम यहाँ का टाइम डिसाइड करेंगे. अगर उसकी 3 p.m. की कोचिंग है तो वो कितने बजे निकलेगा? उससे पहले निकलेगा ना. So maybe
Ma'am,
this message
ma'am,
2
2:40.
p.m. और 2:30 is okay. 2:30 p.m. बिल्कुल डेडलाइन पे नहीं निकलेगा ना, थोड़ा तो पहले निकालो. Okay, so now this time has to be worked very accordingly. Supposing you have written 2:30 here, then the meeting should be at 3 or 3:30. Okay, so now the time you have writing a message is 2:30 p.m. Dear mom, dad, my physics teacher had called me for extra coaching class at 3 p.m. So I have to go to attend the class. And since you both were out, I am informing you that I would be back by now. Come on, by.
Ma'am, 5 p.m.
Okay, see. So here, these things have to be kept wisely in mind. Okay, these time factors, they have to be kept wisely in mind. And let us see now, who called? Physics teacher called. Second question, what was the message he or she wanted to convey? He or she wanted to convey that the coaching is scheduled for 3 p.m. Okay, now the date, time, venue, you have written, since in the question they had only given you the time and they had told you for the same day. So you are saying that today your physics teacher had called and so you're going today only, na, right now. So 5 p.m. you'll be back. This extra information could be added, but this is the time they have given you. Day is today's day that you're leaving, and venue, you're going to the coaching class. So you are supposed to mention these things. And then who's the writer of the message here? Vishal. Okay. Once you finish all this, then what comes is the message to be placed in a box. I am not using a ruler or a scale, but see that you do it properly. And see here also I have mentioned, put the message in the box. Do not forget, otherwise you might lose marks for this. So I hope I'm clear and very precisely you have understood what things are to be kept in mind.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
are
ma'am.
all the queries solved?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you still have any problem, we can still take up another class whenever